Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is write your name on the back of your paper. And then you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna get a tracer. You'll have 2 at each table, so you'll have to share, but it shouldn't take that long to trace it. You're gonna put your tracer at the bottom of your paper to where it's nice and even along the bottom of your colored piece of paper. And this is gonna be the shape for your castle. So you're gonna trace it all the way around. I'm using Sharpie, you will use pencil. I'm using Sharpie so you can see my lines. Okay, so after that, your tracer is 6 squares high and 10 squares across. So we have a bunch of different size squares right here, all different colors. And just like our inspiring artist, we're going to make our castle with of shapes, okay? So my suggestion would be to start in, I would start in this corner on this side, on the left side, and just start filling in. It's kind of like a puzzle. So this square is 1 by 1 square. This square you can fit 2 side by side, and then 2 side by side at the bottom, like that. Okay, you also have a 3 by 3 square right here. That's a really big one. So you have a choice between 1 by 1 square, 2 by 2 square, 3 by 3 square. Okay. So you're gonna fill in your whole castle. We're not gluing anything yet. You're just gonna fill it in. I would suggest using, I think it looks cooler with the smaller ones. You'll go ahead and just start piecing it together. Don't glue it just yet. All right, and once you have everything where you want it, go ahead and glue it down. But make sure you glue it a lot straighter than what you have, because things are probably a little bit crooked because nothing's wanting to stay in place. For the 2 sides of your castle, if you want, you can do one of these squares like this, or you can do a shorter one and just line some shorter ones up right next to each other on each side. And then if you want, next time we get together, we will have little flags that we'll be able to glue on for your castle. But let's start with this shape for now.